discuss about the stratosphere. Stratosphere is derived from a Greek word which is mean stratified layer. The stratosphere, different layers have a different characteristics. That's why it is also called stratified layers. The stratosphere is extend about 50 kilometer. Okay, and the stratosphere up to 20 kilometer, the temperature decreases with the increase in altitude, but after 20 kilometer the temperature increase with the increase of what? Altitude. This happen because of the ozone layer. The ozone layer trap the heat and of the sun light, and as well as the ozone layer also trap a lot of heat from there, and that heat increase the layer of the stratosphere. Next is what? This is the layer where we have what? Now we have the jet streams. Jet stream means these are the high speed winds which are found at the top layer of stratosphere. These airs helpful to what? Movement of the jet plane. And another thing, at the top of jet stream we have the stratopause. Another very important layer in the tropopause, in the stratosphere is the what? Ozone layer. Ozone layer is a layer which is made up of O3 or one type made up of oxygen, 3 atoms of oxygen. This layer is important because this layer what? Do not allow the ultraviolet rays and radiate a huge amount of solar energy towards the other layers of atmosphere. So it protects us from ultraviolet ray. Ultraviolet ray is a very harmful ray and it is very warm in nature. That's why this ultraviolet ray get radiated by the ozone layer, and the people who are living in the earth's surface, they are being protected from it. These ultraviolet rays can cause various problems like skin cancer, eye damage, many other problems. So this is protected by the ozone layer. But day by day, due to human activities, okay, due to increase more use of chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon is a material or a thing which is used mostly in cooling agent like in deos, okay, in refrigerator, in air conditioner we are using chlorofluorocarbon. That chlorofluorocarbon deflected the ozone layer, and due to that there is a huge hole over the Antarctica and over the America of what? Ozone layer. So student, it is very need or very essential to protect us. Next is what? Now about the solar radiation on the earth's surface. There are two types of solar radiation. Here you can see the total amount which is coming to the earth's surface from the sun, total amount of solar energy which is come to the earth's surface is known as solar insolation. Amount of solar energy received by the earth from the sun is known as insolation. So insolation, you can see some amount of energy is radiated by the atmosphere, dust particle, water vapor, ozone layer that get radiated. Some amount of solar energy get radiated from the terrestrial. Terrestrial means surface of the earth. You might have seen it over a bench or chair in the park during the summer season. Have you ever felt that heat? That is only the what? Terrestrial heat. If you walk on the road, okay, during the summer season you can feel the heat. That heat is the terrestrial radiation. So all these are, and some amount of heat absorbed by the atmosphere. So this is terrestrial radiation, the radiation of the solar energy from the surface of the earth. The radiation of solar energy from the atmosphere over the ozone layer, over the dust particle, over the water vapor, by these particles particles, if it is get radiated, that is called what? Celestial radiation. This is all about the solar radiation, and amount of heat received by the earth's surface from the sun is known as insolation. Now student, let's discuss about